Hello.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Nice and clear too.
I think
Perfect.
I was trying to play that yesterday, and I was just completely screwing it up. I don't know the song well enough yet.
Now remind me where the courthouse is.
See, I wasn't
I'm
the
on
only
David
one.
right now. I'm on David right now.
But what tunnel are you in?
West
Forget.
8, West 8, I think.
There we go.
The one that looks like a giant sewer.
Yes.
I lost all my stuff twice yesterday.
Oh lordy.
I got some of it back. I'd say I got just under 3/4 of it back.
I just got smacked by someone. Add that to my charges.
I didn't see anything.
I felt. Did the judge just beat me up?
No, I would never.
Oh yeah. Well,
I don't
David
want to
sees
add
all.
like contempt to your charges.
Okay,
there, buddy.
thank you. Contempt. I think it'd be judgmental judge or something. I don't know. Oh, yeah, it's this way.
Listen, I was chosen because I'm unbiased. Okay, let's go.
You are definitely biased. What do you mean unbiased? Come here, this way. Turn around.
Hang on.
Okay.
I was trying to fix my audio. I'm hearing it in my in my headphones, and it's driving me nuts.
Oh yeah, I hate when that
What
happens.
you doing in the judge seat, Died?
I decided I'm gonna be the judge.
Di needs
What?
to feel.
And the
Di needs to feel important for once. Yeah.
the defendant is
Interesting.
officially guilty because he hasn't shown up for his court case. So
I'm trying to. I'm
try
trying to get
over.
I'm trying to get the judge to the court case. Thank God.
I see no problem with my judgment here.
Wait, is it? Was it in the bank? Oops.
No, it's fine. You'll see a giant orange tower. It's across the street from that. By the way, chat, this is gonna be tomorrow's project. Hopefully. Do a lot of acacia.
Oh, I see.
Okay, burned. You're right there, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Welcome, one and all, except the defendant.
Is there a side for and against here, or just anywhere we want?
Oh no, just sit wherever you want. Yeah, I need to get my little. Baron, come here. You can have an actual hammer instead of the gavel if you want.
Wait, that.
Like a
the
mace.
gavel's good.
Nice.
Just make.
Oh, I thought you
make
said
the
the.
gavel.
Oh,
saying,
okay.
I was saying that the mace is an option to use for the gavel.
Oh, okay.
Like I made it so that would work for the resource pack, hopefully.
Okay, yeah. Which side do we? Okay, well, Ocean.
Wait,
okay, Ocean, that's a little try hard over there, Ocean. Calm down. Ace Phoenix. I'll let you.
My seat. Hang on. Yeah.
Oh, wonderful. Okay. Hang on. I gotta Hold on.
Use the gang.
Let me
Kirk, you're getting all spiffied up back there. I see him.
Let's there we go.
Okay, know what? Hang on.
Okay. Go and
The idea turn behind that.
There we go.
Make sure you put on your wig.
I will. I gotta take the hat off. Gotta take the hat off.
Can you guys still hear me?
Yes.
Perfect.
There we go.
Yeah, let's turn the music off. It was getting a little bit too annoying. Okay, well, here's Beard with her powder wig. That was a giant hammer. Okay, I hope I don't get hit with that. Real fast, Beard. I need to send you what I'm actually in for, so you can read off the list real fast.
All right. Yeah, take your moment to deliberate and sit down.
Oh no, I need to give you this real fast. Open Discord and look at this list, so you can name off all my charges real fast. Look, this is the hardest part I've worked on. the rest of this, I haven't really done much there. That's what I'm in for, Beard.
All right, here we go. Are we ready? Are we ready to sit down?
Yes, I'm pretty sure everyone's here. Yep.
Okay. On the docket today, then, we have the defendant, known as BaydleOG Grant, or BaydleOG, quote unquote. The charges today are as follows: 1 charge of petty theft, 3 charges of scamming, 20 charges of public indecency, 50, that's 50, charges of cursing on ScarWorld premises. Note, probably more. 1 charge of verbal assault on Morgue City government officials, 2 charges of grave robbery, 2 charges of grand larceny. See notes David and Atlas. For first-degree murder charges, 256. 256 first-degree murder charges. 7 charges of domestic terrorism. 2 charges of war crimes. Take note, military actions before declaring them. 1 violation of the Geneva Convention. Take note, the hospital red mark. And 1 charge, the most serious, for trash lyrics.
What do you mean trash lyrics?
That's what it says. Trash
Oh,
lyrics. My
okay.
documents are never wrong.
Oh, okay, I
mean, did you
see.
have
So
good
so
lyrics?
on these
Told you in our
charges.
meeting.
I will leave you to decide what you have to say for yourself.
Okay, Ocean, state your case. State your case. I never had trash lyrics. I never
Before
once.
we have some stating, I mean, do you have a plea to enter here? Do you wish to enter a plea?
No, not yet. Yeah,
No. Okay. Ocean, please.
Get him.
Ladies and gentlemen, nothing less than the future of our server is at stake here today. We are here to show the many crimes one BaydleOG has committed and how his continued presence on the server endangers this community at its deepest core.
Boo.
The evidence against him is not only incontrovertible, but incredibly clear. And so I stand here not only on behalf of my client died by fire, but on behalf of the server itself. And I ask all of you, and especially you, Your Honor, that we make the right decision today and give Baydle the punishment he deserves. Thank you.
Strong case. Storm?
Defense.
Your opening notes?
Well, I didn't write anything down. But I want to make note that most of the things listed are not actually crimes on ScarWorld, and you're using another legal system as the basis for this argument.
Interesting.
Which I assume is why we're in this weird situation where, despite this seeming to be a criminal case, it's actually died by fire suing Baydle.
Interesting.
Thank you, Wolf. That was beautiful.
Thank you.
So I just want to point that out and say that on the premises of ScarWorld, most of the crimes listed are not actually crimes.
Interesting. Ocean, do you have a rebuttal?
And there's no evidence.
Yeah, no evidence. There's no evidence.
Not actually crimes, but also he didn't do it.
There's no evidence. That seems very funny that you would take note of that.
My
were
response.
Not crime.
We are existing in this weird civil criminal case in between, right? And at this point, then, I mean, as it comes with civil cases, it doesn't necessarily matter what we don't need to go by the letter of the law in any civil case. We can care about respectful behavior, fair play, considerate actions. All of those are rules listed in ScarWorld, and those can be criminal charges. respectful behavior, fair play, considered actions. But beyond that, if we're talking about civil case, we don't necessarily need to live in that world. And so that is what I intend to allege today, is that there are many things we can put on Baydle here that show he is a danger to the server.
You can't prove anything.
Hold on a moment. There are apparently naked
My
people
internet
in this
cut out.
courtroom.
I was like, where'd she get
Quick. So listen to all my evidence.
I was like, where'd she get? I saw the hammer fly down. You disappeared.
Someone help me recuse this person before I charge them with indecency. Thank you.
Well, how was that? Oh, okay.
So I mean that
Um,
alone, right, was an example of indecency, public indecency. So I mean, there's precedent in this own room.
Mm-hmm.
Who's the
Okay.
president?
There was mention of no evidence. Is there no evidence to be submitted to this court?
I have things I can get into.
Okay.
There's
No.
nothing that can be proven. You cannot prove that my client did any of these things listed.
Well, that's for me to decide based on or evidence or no evidence.
Oh, well.
What's that you
how
have
about
in your hand there? Do you have any notes that would help?
No.
Oh, okay. What was that? Okay, duly noted. All right, Ocean, please continue.
No. Okay. Allow me to begin, then, by discussing our charges of scamming, okay? On the evening of July 26th, Baydle was involved in a poker game between himself, Died by Fire, my client, Glass Sand Flame, and an undisclosed fourth person.
It was him.
No.
It was him. He was there.
Do you
He's the
have no
loser I
evidence of
stole
this?
his money
No.
from.
Excuse me? Sorry,
I meant
what was
one. I meant one money from.
that? One money from.
You're losing your.
That was a typo.
Did anyone hear a mouse? Anyway, so now I would like to call Miss Died by Fire to our witness stand and have her testify about the nature of this game.
Come up,
Is
make
that
yourself
this side?
comfortable.
Yeah.
No, we have two sides. They both look the same.
Right there you go. Good job.
I like this side better. It's further away from the scam artist.
Oh wow. Okay. That's fine.
Okay. Now, you were at the scene for this card game. You were involved in this card game, correct?
Correct.
And what did you see Baydle doing prior to these cards being dealt?
I don't know. He was pushing buttons and distributing cards and saying that he was going to take everybody's money.
Which I think, I dare say, sounds at least a little bit suspicious. No.
Objection, my client was joking.
I think we can get into that.
Sustained.
That's for the judge to decide. Hang on. Is it overruled or?
Sustained.
it?
Please continue.
Thank you to our court cookie delivery people. Now,
This court case sponsored by Mariza Cookies.
now, as it happened from there, what ended up happening when the cards were revealed?
Well, I thought I had a very good hand, and he told me that I did. And he later admitted to gaslighting me, I believe. But regardless, he ended up winning with an absolutely incredible and very suspicious hand of 4 aces, or 2 aces and 2 were on the board. It was my first time playing Texas Hold'em.
Suspicious indeed.
Mm-hmm.
Now, I leave cross-examination to you, Wolf.
Wolf, press F1 real fast, please. and keep it on. Thank you. Because you weren't reading the chat and I was typing to you. You're supposed to yell that out loud. Oh, it's too late now. Too late now.
What?
I typed you something.
Mighty Your Honor, things are mighty suspicious on the left side of this courtroom right now.
I'm taking notice.
Your Honor,
Oh,
let it
I'm
be
taking
know-
notice.
Let it be known that I cannot be that I am not a corrupt lawyer. Okay, I have not been looking at the sneaky messages left by my client.
Sneaky message.
Understood. Understood. Noted.
Wait. Okay, you know, I'm pretty sure that's allowed.
Duly
Yeah, you're
noted.
gonna whisper to your lawyer, Echo. Yeah, hang
No,
on.
you're not allowed to do that. That's not
You're
a
not?
thing.
Oh, it's not? I didn't know that. Okay, well.
It's not now. I've decided it's
Your Honor?
Your Honor, I'd like to reappoint my lawyer because they're clearly off that top shelf liquor right now, clearly. They're
Mr.
not-
Mr. Baydle, I must warn you that there's a phrase that fits this courtroom quite wonderfully, and that is, you make your bed, you lie in it. Continue.
Beautiful.
Look, we all know that it deceitful at times, but really, what's wrong with a little white lie here and there? You know,
Took
it
my
makes
diamonds.
everyone's lives better. But on that point, how can we be sure that the testimony of one died by fire is actually accurate?
I can't believe you'd accuse me of lying.
I mean, maybe you're not lying. Maybe maybe you just have a bad memory.
He admitted to gaslighting me, and I had less diamonds afterwards because of him.
Maybe your memory could improve if you were given a couple diamonds.
I'm gonna say let's
Baydle.
not lead. Let's not use leading statements. Let's
Hey,
not
God, who
use
just
leading statements.
You just gave me a bed.
What?
You just gave me this. This is my inventory.
Stick to your cross-examination and do not lead the witness and defendant.
Wolf, ask that question I typed to you.
Okay.
Get the
My client would like to ask.
No, it's
The
you. You're
witness.
asking, not me. You're asking,
Well-
not me.
My client would like to ask the witness how it was his fault that it was her first time playing.
I don't understand the relevance of that. I
don't
don't think that's
either,
even
but my
something that I
client
can answer.
insisted that I ask.
It's because
I was
because you
trusting him to
said-
teach me the right way to play.
you're the. Wolf, I'm gonna need you to use your imagination here, please.
Okay, but when you go into a game, like specifically a game where money and stakes are involved, it's generally not a good idea to trust just any old stranger on what they say the rules of the game are, especially when they're in direct competition with you.
Oh,
This
when
was
they offered.
Beta was
Yeah.
simply playing the game.
Mm. So it's part of the game to gaslight
is.
and
It i-
cheat people out of their diamonds.
It
But
actually
also-
is. It
when it
actually is
comes
in
to-
real life.
To also
Yeah.
have
That
the,
kind of is
the
the-
amazing amount of cards that just happened to be in his inventory when he was the dealer? Is that also
I
to
mean,
be expected?
You have said that you don't really you were pretty new to the game. You didn't really understand it. So who's to say he had more cards than were really relevant to the game?
I didn't hear a statement made that he specifically had more cards. Noticed. Interesting. Noticed. Bailiff, take
But
notice of that,
no,
please.
I'm saying
No,
that,
that was-
I'm
that was
saying that did he
misworded.
really have more cards, or did Died by Fire just misinterpret the amount of cards being new to the game?
Oh no, the cards. I think he had 4 aces at the end.
No, it's because there was 5 on the board and I had 2 in my hand. That's how it was.
Oh, so there's 7 aces in Texas Hold'em?
No.
Then I definitely don't know what's going on here.
Have you considered that he's a criminal?
No,
Yeah.
no, that's not true.
Order in the court.
As mentioned previously,
Order.
there is no substantial way to prove that he is a criminal within the laws of ScarWorld.
The laws of ScarWorld say server rule number 4, considerate actions, refrain from actions you would not want done to yourself. And I dare say that getting scammed out of many stacks of diamonds would
My
constitute
client has
them.
allowed himself to be scammed many times. He would absolutely be okay with that being done to himself.
How, you're in a casino. How are you getting scammed? Do you have a chance to win? How are you getting scammed? It's like playing the lottery and saying you got scammed because you didn't win.
Your Honor, are there more
Mhm.
questions for me, or may I get off the witness stand here for this one?
You're trapped there forever.
Wolf,
Oh no.
don't intimidate the client.
Well, you haven't really had any questions
What's that in
for
your
me.
hand there, Wolf? What is that? What are your notes
Nothing,
there?
nothing.
Okay.
Nothing.
Bailiff, take notice.
Okay. Let's move on to the next charge now.
Okay, go ahead.
You get off
Close the
down
icon.
from there.
I
Died.
have case
Okay.
notes. I have case notes on various alibis Baydle has for having not taken various actions.
Hey,
That
real
is
fast.
all.
Real fast, did you guys see that assault on my lawyer just now
No.
by the died?
I saw nothing.
I don't know what you're talking about. I would
Yeah.
never assault anybody.
I have it
Can't
on
prove it
4.
happened.
Your Honor, my client, I think, is
Bailiff,
hallucinating.
replay the tape. I have it.
But I object to that tape being replayed.
I also
Bailiff.
object to that tape being replayed.
Okay, fine. Everyone's blind. Yeah.
Sustained. Order sustained. We're just sustained. Continue.
Who put a bed in
Ocean-
my inventory? My inventory is already so full. I can't hold more things.
The bed I
Ocean, do you
made
have
for
more-
us, I guess.
Do you have more pieces of evidence that you can provide to the court?
Yes. So I would like to do 2 things. I would first my inventory is full. Allow me to remove some things for it for a moment. Thank you. Now, I would like to first present one piece of evidence, which is my briefcase, because I intend to make this a briefcase.
Bailiff,
now,
will you please gather this evidence and bring it to me?
Now,
Bailiff.
moving on, then, I would like to discuss
Bailiff.
the many war crimes of BaydleOG. Now, so this incident began with turtles, and I will now call as an expert witness on the turtle happenings one turtle sage that happens to be in our courtroom. Her true identity is unknown, but that need not be revealed for today's proceedings. She will suffice as is.
Do you tell and promise to tell the scute, the whole scute, nothing but the scute, still help you scute?
You.
Continue.
Great. Now,
What was that?
Stop! You're just making it worse.
Someone
I'm
is
just
trying to
standing here and
interfere in
doing
this case.
anything.
Wait, who did that? Wait, I thought it was you. Hang on.
It wasn't
wait.
me, yeah.
Your Honor, there's disorder in the court.
Someone's trying to kill me so that I can't testify.
Is that an
Okay,
excellent?
No.
okay, continue.
So, is it true that Baydle was responsible for creating a turtle farm, and you witnessed this turtle farm that was responsible for killing turtles to obtain their
Yes.
turtles that were born, grew up, you obtained their scutes, and then they were killed. Is this true? Why do I have scutes? in my
I didn't
inventory?
obtain the scutes. Baydle kept
So,
them.
yes, that Baydle was making scutes, or was obtaining scutes in this way. Can you
Yes.
testify a bit as to proper treatment of turtles in a turtle farm?
Well, Your Honor, as you know, turtles are one of God's greatest creations, especially in Minecraft. They are adorable. They are gentle and peaceful creatures. They need seagrass and care and not to be slaughtered.
Now, from here, In
Yes.
response to this protest in response to these actions by Baydle, our defendant here today, a protest was staged by Dyed, Mars, Moon, and a secret fourth individual whose identity could not be ascertained. In response to that protest, Baydle responded by bombing a large potato field and occupying the waters with a large warship outside that fourth individual's space. In doing so, we have seen that not only did Baydle commit this great amount of injustice toward animals, but responded as a war criminal, engaging in multiple violent acts.
Wolf, say that now.
Thank you, Ocean.
I rest.
Wolf, Wolf, your cross-examination?
Okay, well, first of all, I want to ask, did anybody actually witness Baydle killing turtles? Did anyone see him kill turtles?
They may not have witnessed the death itself, but we saw the scutes. And the only way you get a scute is by killing a turtle.
Died, was that admission admissible in court, or was it simply an offhand remark? And scutes, by the way, if you didn't know, are not obtained by killing turtles.
Yes, I misspoke.
So?
But he was overrun with turtles, but he needed more scutes. So he killed them off so that he didn't have to deal with the product of his greed.
Your Honor, I'd like to point out in my statistics currently, I only currently have 1 turtle killed, which was very well an accident.
Because we're on a new instance.
No, it's not, because I still have 28,000 villagers killed.
Well, somehow you've hid the truth. We all have seen the video.
No,
Baydle, would you please submit that own evidence to the bailiff, aka screenshot it, send it to me.
Okay, yeah. Here you go. You think I'm lying? I would never lie. How could you?
Photoshop, Baydle, Photoshop. Nothing needed.
Continue.
Secondly, we all know of the horrible events of the potato field bombings. Truly tragic. However, how are you sure that Baydle was behind this? Was behind this act? What evidence of that is there?
I can only speak to the turtles.
I would like to.
I can't speak to the potato field, but you killed them for a costume.
Well, you see,
I would also like to point out that I'm not in a position of power currently. Died is in position of everything in Morgue City, including our military. So therefore, those crimes belong to Died, actually, not me.
Mr.
I have no
Baydle.
power in this city.
Mr. Baydle.
Yes.
There's a clarification
you
needed.
The turtles, and you know you killed the turtles.
Order in the court. Order in the court.
I'm getting throw out the case. I got assaulted.
Do not make me hold you in contempt. Sit down. Sit down.
This seems pretty deserved, doesn't it?
She hit me. Look at me. I have a black eye now. That's horrible.
May I be excused?
Your Honor, my client
You may
has
be
been
excused, and you will
assaulted
sit
over
down,
crimes that he
and you
may
will
not have
respect this
committed.
courtroom.
Crimes he did commit.
Understood. Mr. Baydle, this piece of evidence you have provided to the bailiff, do you have any evidence that actually bears your name? Because this piece of evidence of your lack of killing turtles, unfortunately, there's nothing on here that states your name.
Well, if you look in the bottom right, actually, you can clearly see very slightly. You see 1 pixel that's a little bit white. That's actually my hand right there. So that's my evidence.
You couldn't have gotten a better screenshot.
And I know it's a little blurry too, but trust me, that's definitely the eye.
Baydle, we'll be
Here,
submitting this
just
just to look into this for me.
Take a new screenshot. Take a new
Oh no 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 no!
Okay,
That's
you're
that's
right.
that's
Make sure
no. That's
that's-
presenting evidence after the case. I already allowed this one. Continue.
Your Honor, I allege that someone who's bad at taking screenshots would be bad at following the law.
How's it? No, yeah, that's how
Duly
it works.
noted, Ocean. Duly noted. Ocean, how about the next piece of evidence?
Objection, correlation, not causation.
Objection, correlation
Sustained.
is causation.
Also sustained.
Go
Moving on.
on.
Move on. Do we hit the next piece of the next charge and the next piece of evidence, Ocean, please?
Yes.
But no, hang on. We kind of glanced over the fact that I wasn't involved in any of that, and Dide was actually in charge of the whole Morgue City.
Yeah,
So
hang on.
how would I be
I
the
have-
work?
I have
I
the
don't work
objection.
with it all.
I have the paperwork right here, in which Died is listed as the legal purveyor
Ruler.
of Morgue City.
Yeah. So
Okay, go ahead
I'm
and
a
submit that.
objection. Objection, nuh-uh.
Go ahead and submit that to the
objection.
bailiff. Yep.
Objection,
objection. Go at the top. Go to the top of the. Go the.
Nuh-uh.
Order. We will have quiet. We will have quiet and not rowdiness. This is just a piece of paper.
Okay. Objection. Go to the top of the biggest tower in Work City, and you'll find
Ooh,
Mayor
no, thank you.
Dide's office. Go inside the city hall.
Okay,
You'll find
I
Mayor
should not
Dide's.
have to leave this courthouse to view
Yeah,
evidence.
this
You
doesn't
should have
seem like the
submitted
judge's
this.
Well,
responsibility.
you're the mayor, you're the judge of Work City. You should know all this stuff.
Oh.
Your Honor, I call for a 1-minute recess so I can go get a piece of evidence.
Hey, no, you can't do that. You can't do that.
Hang on. In that
What was that?
case, we'll go get evidence of Died being the mayor.
What is doing that?
Can
Oh, is
someone
that-
with silk touch come break this for me, please? This gavel does not have silk touch.
It is a golden shovel.
I love it. Thank you. Okay, thank you. On note though, this right here, this thing that you say lists it's just a piece of paper.
Use your
I'll allow you to reclaim that for yourself.
Use your
Ocean?
imagination.
Okay, Barry. I'd like to point out episode 7, I think it was, of my YouTube series that did come in and swoop up the position of mayor from me in that episode at about 20 minutes in.
What's this YouTube you speak of?
That's true. It doesn't exist here. Block 2. Block. It's the Minecraft.
Alright, let's
Minecraft
move on.
version
Let's
of
move
YouTube,
on
block
to these.
2.
Let's
I like
move
how
on
it's
to
two
these.
I
Two different
think
shapes.
exist in Minecraft.
Blocks and tubes.
Yeah.
Let's move on to these 20 charges of public indecency.
Oh, I
Define public-
don't have evidence of that.
Define decency.
Okay, because Mr. Baydle's existence is not necessarily evidence of public indecency. So if we don't have
Objection?
I disagree.
evidence of
I would
this,
argue it
let's
is.
move on.
Mhm.
If there's no
Objection, no,
evidence to
it's not.
submit, let's move on.
Your Honor, I can send pictures of him from Christmas time or the Pufferfish parkour opening if that would help.
You made that skin for me. You should do that.
I don't know
made
what you're
that for me.
talking about. I don't know.
Is there any proof of that?
Objection.
Oh,
Objection.
there will
those
be no
images were made
violence in
as
this
pieces
court.
Of art.
Well, there's
Those-
no violence
Those
in
images were
this
made as
matter.
pieces of art by
No.
Died with the purpose of creating art.
Do not.
It's
Do not
creepy.
cause
Evidence
violence
is
in
This
this
is
court.
creepy.
Oh, thank you.
Using them as evidence is
Okay, moving on here then. How about these
Misleading and-
well, the cursing charges are we really don't even need to go in that because I mean
Those
that's
are all.
that's
That's
obvious.
all. That's all AI.
okay.
Do you have
I
evidence
can't
that it is
actually.
AI?
No, sorry. Shut up. This one will just take the L on. That.
Okay. Moving on then.
Yes, my client has cursed on ScarWorld premises, but it happens, you know. It happens.
Noted.
It happens.
It's horrible.
How about
Honor.
these?
Your
Never mind. Don't
Honor.
listen to me.
Let's move on to these. Go ahead. Go ahead.
No, I said nothing.
Your
Did
Honor.
anyone hear it? I don't think anyone heard it.
But it's on chat. It's only in
My
voice.
opposition has himself cursed on ScarWorld
I have not.
premises.
I have not done this.
I remember that one time.
If we weren't
she
on
did.
if we weren't on stream, I would swear for the bit right now.
I was.
Oh, bad.
All right,
Well,
let's move on
is that a
then.
mess?
Let's move on. How about this verbal assault on Morg City government officials?
Devio died.
I think we heard some examples of that already today.
There have
That's
been
a
some
physical
logged with the
assault to
bailiff,
me.
correct?
Oh yeah,
All
there
right,
wasn't a charge. This isn't Dide's trial.
Yeah, I'm not
let's
on
move
trial
on
here,
then.
you are.
Let's move on
I
then.
mean, go ahead. Dide can go up on the stand and testify and give some examples of me verbally. What was the charge?
Verbally assault.
An official
Go-
of more
Come on, come.
Yeah,
Di,
feel free,
do you
Dide.
feel emotionally? Do you have the spoons for which to? Are you going to be
Spoons.
emotionally all right if you come up and talk a little bit about? No,
Your Honor,
no,
it's
no.
too
We're not
much
going to further traumatize
sorry.
the defendant.
Not the defendant.
Not the defendant.
This is the prosecution.
The prosecution. Okay.
The victim.
How about these 2 charges of grave robbery?
I actually have no idea what those are. I forgot.
So those of us on the prosecution, we would like to make the strong that we are also not aware of what those charges are. Anyway,
I actually don't know why I put that there. I think it was just for
I'm muted. You
comedic.
can come in if you need to.
No, you're not.
I'm not.
No, he's heard that.
Is
supposed to
there
be
anyone
muted.
in the court? Is there anyone in the court who has experience or knowledge of grave robbery on the part of Mr. Baydle?
Where'd that bee come from?
I would hope no one in here is a direct victim of this, because that would be a little weird.
Okay, moving on.
Oh.
Moving on. The next set of charges. 2 charges of grand larceny with notes to David and Atlas.
How would I, as a single man, no, let me go up there and testify about this.
Careful with your words there, Mr. Baydle.
Okay,
Mr. Baydle, do you promise to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you Scar?
yes, I do.
Objection! No, he doesn't.
Ow!
Objection, I just got
Ow!
assaulted,
Your Honor,
and you got me.
Your Honor, the prosecution has been unruly.
Objection! We were
words
getting
for this.
Miranda. We were getting
Simmer
Miranda an
down.
advancement.
Yeah.
Get that nightstick out and teach him a lesson.
Simmer down over there. Continue.
Let me ask you this, Judge Burned, sorry.
You
How
can't even
would
say my
I-
name right.
Judge Burned.
That's
How
not my
would
name.
I Burned? How would I?
That's
how
also
would
not
Oh
my
my God.
name.
Okay, moving on. Judge, how would
Say Your
I?
Honor.
Your Honor, yeah, you're right. Your Honor, sorry, yes. How would I, as a single, skinny, slim-armed Minecraft skin, be able to move a multi-ton David and Atlas statue? I ask you. How would that physically be possible? And I have no machinery capable of doing such feats.
Is there any evidence to this, Ocean, that you have?
Objection! Block by block, small piece by small piece.
The court notes the ability. Do you have any evidence that this happened?
Yeah, it's right here.
Objection, destruction. No objection. That destruction of government property right there, guys.
Would you
I might die.
would you all sort yourselves, please? What are
What's
you doing down there?
I was getting the evidence.
Come back here at once. Oh no!
Whoa! Excuse, Your Honor.
No!
I think we just won our case. If,
Let's take a
What just
let's take a
happened?
2-minute recess.
You just doomed
Yeah,
people.
yes, Your Honor.
You killed
Yeah,
the
yeah.
judge.
I think we just won our case. Yeah.
It was an accident. It was an accident. Wait, hang on.
Would someone like to retrieve my garments for me?
There's a little
I
bit
know
of
why
bedrock in the
we're
way.
bedrock here.
Bedrock. Oh my god,
Medusa?
Medusa.
Marisa.
uh, all of
Mediza,
Baron's stuff's down there.
you're in danger of a countersuit from others, Mediza. I would not comment too hardly on this.
What did Medusa
Oh,
say?
yeah. Shoot. Oops.
Oh no!
Oh,
My
shit.
lawyer's dead.
Oh, let's have some order here.
Let's take a
This is supposed
recess
to
for
be a civil
second.
court. Yeah, let's take
Can
2
I get
minutes,
a little bit
please,
longer of
and
a recess,
readjust.
please?
Let's take
I'm
5
in-
minutes. Let's
Well,
take
I'm
5 minutes.
spawn.
5 minutes.
We'll
Let's
come back
take
here real
5
fast.
minutes.
we should pause the case until and postpone it to a future date because the
no.
courtroom is damaged and unsafe.
So you are asking
thanks,
for an
Mediza.
injunction and a
Ocean, do you need to borrow my wings?
expansion of
Um,
time.
Yes.
I would like not that.
Ocean, here you can borrow my wings.
Real fast. I'm gonna
Or
put a
did you get your stuff?
bed. I'm gonna put a bed just like right at the edge.
I put
so
one over
it's
here
fun.
because I didn't trust you.
I'm
Look,
like,
there's a bed
you
right
hit,
here.
you hit me more
Right,
than I touched
wait,
you.
right. We all got beds from Medusa.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
use them.
Well, I will not resume this case until my belongings are brought back to me.
Where are you? Oh, you're right.
That's mine. That's mine. That's.
I'd like to note, Purple said I should call you Your Highness instead of Your Honor. Which I don't think
I
either's gonna be
I
happy.
won't request to be called Your Majesty. We won't
Your
go that far.
Majesty. That was neither of the options.
Your
Anyway.
Magistrate.
Your Magistrate.
I'll throw stuff that's not mine.
Baron, what title would you like me to call you for bonus points?
You have my wings and a couple.
I do your wings. I just. Oops! I just threw it in the pile.
I can't be bought with bonus points. I'm sorry, Mr. Baydle.
Okay.
Wait, I didn't pick up the wings. I picked up an axe that wasn't mine. And it...
Oh, the wig. Brand.
Wait,
Mhm.
The
you
wig.
have my wings. and-
Ooh, who said that? Who said that?
Here.
Was that you?
I've
Ocean?
also got Sarah's wings.
No, you don't.
I've got the. Oh,
Nope.
okay. No,
You
these
don't have
are.
my wings.
Yeah. Oh yeah, your
Brand.
rings.
Oh,
and this
Brand.
is just
I
need
can
this.
return them to their rightful owner.
Yeah.
But
Dad.
those aren't mine.
Oh, what does that mean?
Brand wig.
Thank you. Anyone seen my gavel?
Oh, it's
Yeah,
in
go
here.
Brand her hair back. What is this?
I've
Oh,
got
lawyer.
diamond leggings here too.
Lawyer,
That's
do I need
so
to put any
loud.
extra evidence?
Those are mine. The sunflower
You-
rings are mine.
I think everything
you.
else. I think everything in my inventory is mine.
Okay.
Wait, no, not this hoe. Wait,
Well, I'm
yes,
still
this hoe?
missing
Let me
my
remember.
gavel, unfortunately.
It's in the box.
Oh, it's in the box. Oh, wonderful. There we go. We have returned. Everyone ready to return to their seats?
There's still
are
a
we?
block of my floor missing.
Oh, that's okay.
I'd
we
like to
have a-
know
Do we have a red terracotta? Medusa's got it.
clearly my lawyer's a better musician than lawyers, so I'd like to get a new lawyer, please.
Yeah, I can.
Well, if
do
we
that.
need
Your lawyer?
to, if we need to defer this case, and so that you can seek Alternative
look at
legal
this, Look
counsel.
at that. I know. Yeah, I know. Kirky saw that. I just got assaulted by the plaintiff.
No such thing happened.
No,
please
no,
refrain from
definitely
such
not.
behavior toward
Oh
my
no,
client.
Kirky's chasing him around.
Toward the victim, nonetheless.
I'd like to note that my lawyer's not saying anything about that, even though she's looking directly at me.
Mr.
You
Baydle.
saw that
I
clearly.
don't know what you're talking about.
Mr.
Yes.
Baydle, are you stating that you need time to appoint an alternative?
And now
Lawyer.
look, you can see my I think my lawyer got lobotomized because she's not reacting to getting caught on fire.
I see
There's
that
no
your
fire.
lawyer is reacting quite now.
Hi, Turkey. Would you like a cookie? You look so
Please-
amazing in
Please
that
answer
uniform.
the question, Mr. Baydle. Do you or do you not need time to find sufficient alternative counsel?
No, I do not need time. I can win with what I have.
Okay. Let's move on then. Let's move
I
on
think I have
then.
someone's sword.
Is there actual evidence to present to the court at this time that there was grand larceny done to David and Atlas by Mr. Baydle?
Well, it was down there, and things got messy down there, and now it's probably lost forever. So
Interesting. Why did you choose to store it down there rather than submit it to the bailiff for the court?
Why was it buried underneath the courthouse? Yeah.
I mean, have you seen the bailiff's face? I think the bailiff would be perfectly content to bury their possessions in the ground.
That's a little. That's bailiff. No, not me.
Interesting. Okay, let's continue on so we do not get sidetracked. Thank you. To the next charges. One of the more serious is the account of first-degree murder charges in the number of 256 charges of first-degree murder.
That's a
Your
lie.
Honor, who among us hasn't killed someone?
That's a good point. Good point, counsel. Ocean?
On this, the prosecution has no objections.
Noted. We move on.
Okay, Marissa. Okay, am I guilty of that or what? What's up with that?
You are. You've murdered me so many times.
I
It
mean,
didn't
you're guilty
happen.
of it, but it's not really a major point of contention.
That's a lie.
Because we
There
also
appears to be no contention. Mr.
I would
Baydle,
like
do you
to-
feel that the number of charges is incorrect? The number that we have here
Yes,
is 256. Would you care to guess then how many first-degree murders you have committed?
Guess. About at least 0. Give or take a 0 there. Yeah, that's
I
the
mean, I
number.
have 210.
The actual number though is I actually thought I was past 256, but I'm at 236.
lie to this
It
court?
turns out. What?
So please
Did you
note
just
for
commit
the
perjury
bailiff,
against
please
this
note
court?
for the record that 256.
It's a
Oh,
lie.
we're
so
noted.
We have to throw that charge out. No, it's 236. That's the exact number I'm looking at right here. And my, you know, you guys keep a diary of the amount of player kills you guys have too, right?
Mr.
Yeah,
Beadle,
yeah, no, I've
you
got
realize that when you do pull out pieces of your own electronics in the courtroom that they are not entirely secure.
This is off the top of my head. I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay, noted. Yes, electronic records. Thank you.
I
Okay,
would like to
moving
point out.
on. 7 charges of domestic terrorism. Ocean?
That was closely
Where-
related to the matters of to the bombing of the potato field.
Okay.
and
This is in
correspondence.
regard to the
bombing of
potato fields.
Potato field, which there is no proof that Baydle was responsible for.
There was so much proof.
And in fact, as Baydle has mentioned, Died is the mayor of Morgue City and is in charge of the military.
Ooh. I also like to point out that no bomb is actually dropped. It's just flying overhead. So either way, was it really a bombing? Was this an arm? Where'd that come from?
Ocean, did you come prepared with any evidence of
Yeah, where's the-
these acts of domestic terrorism?
Yeah.
We will have order in this court. There is to be no... Put that away. Put that away. Thank you. Let's act like grown Scarians, please. Hey! Butter my biscuits, you all are being difficult. Mr. Ocean, continue.
That is all.
That is all. Okay, moving on. Are you all right there, Mr. Beadle?
I think the jury's against me clearly. So this is kind of a almost said based, but a bit
So,
biased.
I would assume then that the war crimes charges and the Geneva Convention violation are all in regards to the
Died.
drama and bombing of the potato fields.
Largely, yes.
Okay, then let's move on. Let's move on to the most serious of the charges listed here, and that is one charge of trash lyrics.
Indeed. No.
True. None of that is true.
I believe that.
So-
I kind of heard some murmuring.
I would like to submit to the
Please
court.
show the video, you're done.
I would like to submit to the court 2 pieces of evidence here.
This is more than just a video.
Bailiff,
Um,
if you would be so kind as to collect the evidence
firstly-
and...
This is a transcript of Baydle's lyrics. These these lyrics came from a rap battle.
I
with
hope.
my
Oh my
one
god, it
assassin
is.
plays.
Here, my bailiff seems to be
This-
absent.
This rap battle, in those lyrics, includes firstly the lyrics from Assassin, who began, and secondly the lyrics from Baydle, who responded.
Okay.
I'd like to
let's-
submit as a second piece of evidence. Firstly, I should first make the claim, the very loud civil claim, that Baydle's lyrics are a clear copyright infringement. Because I
What?
have here the original source of his lyrics. There it is.
Ah.
So
I'd also like to see this evidence.
I
I
would
see.
too, actually, because I don't remember. I don't remember that part ever
Here you
happening.
go. Wolf, here you may view the evidence.
I see.
indeed.
For the record, we will enter these lyrics into the court of public opinion record. Let's see. The first part is from Assassin, which says, "This rap about Baydle's about to be fatal. Why is this young Chad always so unstable? That outfit out of style and my TV cable. This track about to be my first gold label. I'll be laying in the cash spread across the table. Touching money, something Baydle will never be able. This clown's got cow milk is hanging on his navel. He listening to this crying in his baby's cradle."
I like
Okay.
to point out I wrote that for him.
Okay.
I don't believe there is any evidence of that available.
Is there evidence that you did write this for him, Mr.
It
Baydle?
actually is. I still have that script on paper right next to me. In fact, 'cause I thought this-
Regardless,
Are those not
Okay,
Robert
regardless of if
Fletcher?
these lyrics are good,
Okay, God.
regardless of if these lyrics are good or not, which I would allege that the lyrics from Assassin were very good. This flowed very well. It made for a nice verse. The issue arises from the second one, and I would warn all of you in this courtroom that listener discretion is advised.
Yes, here we go.
Objection. You're not being serious enough. They're worse than that.
Noted. Okay, so the second part that is by Baydle says, "They call you Grasshopper because you're a pest. They put me on SoundCloud because they know I'm the best. Dissing you is just another test. Now let's get these roasts right off of my chest." And then it appears that Baydle is cut off by Assassin. Is this correct? Are these accurate?
Yes.
I do know that the Scarians for the ethical treatment of animals would be quite put out if they heard you mention that grasshoppers were just a pest. Those are
Now,
locusts, Mr. Baydle.
I would like to make a couple more arguments here. Firstly,
Please.
while Assassin was rapping, there were multiple players who were dying in lava, and this is because Assassin's lyrics were so fire. As soon as Baydle's lyrics began, they stopped. And soon after Baydle stopped rapping, they continued again, because clearly, even the sound of no lyrics at all is better than listening to Baydle rap. Now, carrying on from here,
Objection. That's irrelevant. Because why would you want to die? If
Mr.
someone's
Baydle, you are
lyrics-
not eligible to submit objections. Does your counsel wish to submit an objection?
I speak for the council.
I
Are
do
you
not wish to submit an
dismissing your
objection.
counsel? Okay. Are you dismissing your counsel, Mr. Baydle?
No, I'll keep. them
Then
around for
please
a while.
remain quiet and allow your counsel to do their job.
now, secondly, living in this, we understand that there are high standards put on when you can call speech, like when you can convict for speech. Criminal standards for speech are high. I'm going to briefly operate under U.S. law because that's where like all four of us on these two benches are, and say that we put a high like the sniffer egg cracking in the middle. We put a high standard to speech in this country, but we test if speech is illegal via an imminent lawless action test from the 1969 Supreme Court case Brandenburg versus Ohio. That speech is not protected if the speaker intends to incite a violation of the law that is both imminent and likely. Is it directed to incite or produce imminent lawless action, or is it likely to incite or produce such action? We on the
very, very
prosecution
glad you
argue
brought that
that
up.
Baydle's lyrics are likely to drive people to commit horrific acts upon hearing them. Left unchecked,
No
Beydle's
objection.
lyricism is likely to lead to crime, murder, and possibly even nuclear war.
No
The fate of
objection.
this entire server is at stake on this charge. Your Honor, I strongly request a conviction on the charge of trash
We
lyrics.
will have
Thank
order
you.
in this court.
No
Sit
objection.
down,
I
Miss
agree.
Crafty. Sit
His
down.
lyrics made me crazy.
Oh, Wolf, defend me. Get up there now. Defend me.
Counsel, your cross.
Your Honor, I fully agree that Beydle's trash lyrics are a danger to ScarWorld. However, I submit that perhaps we just prevent him from being able to write any more.
Those
Noted.
are all off the top of my head.
Noted, counsel, noted. So we have gone through. Let me just double check
No,
here on this list.
I'm testifying about that,
Interesting.
about the trash lyrics, because I'm not convinced.
Interesting.
I ask you, Bjorn. Sorry, Your Honor, and Bernd.
That's good
I
because you
got it
can't even
right.
say my name correctly.
Bernd, yeah.
That is also not.
I
my name.
ask you this. Have you yourself, you personally, have you listened to the track? The world famous, the single gone quadruple platinum by BaydleOG. Have you listened to it?
I have not. I have not. I attempt to be unbiased.
Okay. Well, in your mind, right? Not in your mind. Plug in your AirPods, whatever you have. Listen to it real fast. Okay, we're gonna pretend you listen to it. Okay.
Can we get that? Can we get that pulled up?
Okay, yeah, hang on real fast. I'm gonna do that. Where is it? I don't think you guys could actually even hear it, but it's for my stream mainly. Hopefully it's not like bass boosted. Okay, I'm not shorts. Where is it? Oh, here we are. So in my episode, it's episode 7. That's even funnier. In episode 7, epic rap battle. I need to go to my part. Oh, it's right here. Okay, here. I have it up, so if you're listening to my stream, you'll be able to hear it in a second. I'm about to turn off the Oh wait, no, it's right here. All right. Brace your ears. This is truly ahead of its time. Okay, here it is. I know. I made that beat myself, by the way.
Yeah. Let's get it.
See, everyone's
They call
vibing
you a
about it.
grasshopper because you're a pest. They put me on SoundCloud because they know I'm the best. Dissing you is just another test. Now, let's get these roasts right off my chest.
I'd like to point. Someone's laughing a little too hard at that. I'd like to point out that that was when I sucked at worst
Counsel!
editing.
Your Honor, we would like to call for the defendant
Did
to
I
be
die?
banished to live in the
What?
sewer for trash lyrics.
Okay, I got banished HE double hockey sticks clearly for those lyrics.
I didn't realize wind charges did damage.
Yeah,
You do, like-
counsel.
They do like
counsel.
one,
We will
like
have
Okay.
to
half a hard.
discuss your count of first degree murder after this trial. Bailiff, please make sure that the council does not leave these chambers. Thank
I
you.
think the bailiff has my pickaxe.
I think that
Oh.
we've heard all of what we need to hear.
No. Also, real fast, I need one last thing. While in prison, not in prison, jail. Sorry. You could see my beaten and battered state. Can you, Judge? Yeah,
I have
clearly
seen the
you can.
footage. I have seen the footage.
Okay, yeah. That was. Keep in mind, Dide's in charge of the country state. I'm not too sure what Mork City actually is.
Probably
Mork
city,
City
if I had to
though.
guess.
Is the
You're a
is
genius.
the jail,
Shut up.
is the jail city or privately funded?
It's city funded. It's a public. It's not.
Is this the case, Ms. Dide? Is the jail is city funded, not private?
Your Honor, to be honest, it is very difficult keeping track of everything that's here with the mess that he left. I am only mayor because he was voted out by all the people. There was a book of complaints that is secure in the office. I didn't think it was relevant.
Oh, that would have been very
So
relevant to this case.
That
if you
was
died.
all. That was relevant because that was all. Those are all fraudulent lies. I'll have you know.
No, there is a record. The only reason why I'm mayor is because he did such a terrible job, and I'm really doing my best to make it a better place. But there's a lot to be done still.
So you are unaware if it is city funded or privately funded.
I think that he, see, Your Honor, I feel like it's wrong to say this, but I think that he may have corrupted the books, the records. So I am unsure. It is very difficult to keep track of anything that happened
It would
before I
have
got
been
here.
very, very good if that
Um,
information was included in.
I would
this
like to
case with
point
the-
out that Dyed has been mayor since like October of last year. So she's been mayor for a year, and I've only been mayor for like 2 months.
Your
of the
Honor,
season.
what answer are you looking to hear?
Mix Crafty, please. Return
One
to your
last
seat.
thing. No, last thing. About the prison. This is the food I was given. Do you have a trophy of your? I thought that was a trophy. It's a hat. That's the.
Fatal,
That's
didn't
why.
you try-
That's all I've been fed for the past month. I've been arrested. Past month I've been arrested. That's all I've been fed
The court
by
will take this into
Dides.
consideration.
By Dides
Honor,
prison. So
Didn't
I
you
like
also
to.
work for
I would
as a
like to
police officer
account.
at one
I would
point?
like to account human abuse or Minecraft block abuse.
That was not
That's all.
included here. Are you issuing a countersuit then?
That's for petty charges. Yeah, countersuit, defamation, and
Let the record show that there will be a countersuit instituted and put
bad
together
prison
by
rations.
Mr. Baydle. You will have some time to do that. You will have some time to do that. I am going to take a few minutes to deliberate unless there is actually, before I do that, Ocean, why don't you provide your closing statement, please?
Okay, Your Honor, I'm gonna need to yell my closing statements over all the animals that have been released in the courtroom because there seem to be a lot of chickens and pandas and sniffers about. Now, we believe it is very clear that Baydle is, well, he's definitely guilty on everything, but he's especially guilty on the charge of trash lyrics, and we call for him to be banished to the sewer for his trash lyrics. Thank you.
What?
Wolf, would you like
Wolf.
to give your closing statement, please?
Well, Baydle's trash lyrics are bad. I do not think they warrant him being banished to the sewer, as that is cruel and unusual punishment that is not relevant to the crime committed.
I like how we're more focused on trash lyrics instead of war crimes. By the way.
Well,
Oh yeah, those don't matter.
it is the
trash
firm-
lyrics, though. That's what.
It is the
really-
firm belief of the prosecution that those lyrics amount to war crimes.
Death. Okay.
Agreed.
Okay.
defense agrees.
Let's get a tally of the jury. Let's see. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, you count Ocean.
Oh wait, I'm
Uh,
supposed to
Please
be
let's-
over here for this part.
4,
Let's
5.
have the members of the jury
Six.
please also
I-
message me and
We
come
have-
sit in your box, please.
I
we have-
propose that Baydle
No,
is
shut up.
punished accordingly to the crime of trash lyrics.
The
What
bailiff
is
just died.
going Moon!
Bailiff just died.
Moon, order in this court. My goodness. This is enough. Enough.
Okay,
And
so
the
there's
members
6.
of the jury please come sit in their juror box. Thank you.
Yeah, sit in that the weird thing on the side.
I'm willing to be impartial for this.
Yeah, here,
That's
Ocean.
fine.
No, you two don't count.
Judge.
You- my own judge, my own lawyer just abandons me. Okay.
I love how you're aware that the jury is definitely thinking guilty already.
Okay.
The jury. I see 3 people and the judge that are part of the jury.
Let's go ahead
I
and
see
collaborate.
the rest of
Come
the
on in.
jury is like sitting back here.
Is this all
Come
the
on,
jurors?
jury.
Purple, come on in. Yep, Is this everyone? Is this all the jurors?
Anyone who wants to say in the verdict,
Anyone,
be a juror.
anyone in the
The
audience
bailiff
is
is to
welcome.
jump in.
Yeah.
Okay, well,
Okay.
Can
So
people hear me?
Bailiff, I
go
give you
ahead and
cookies, so you
finish
definitely want to be
eating.
part of the jury, right?
Why don't you go ahead? We'll take a minute to deliberate here. Why don't each of you send me a message here with your deliberations?
you have a fishing rod to be back in.
Noted.
No, we can't.
No. Yeah.
No, no,
Oh, well, now we can. Right when you
Now you
tell
can?
me.
Oh, good.
Yep, we can,
Yay.
Sarah. Yep.
Okay.
Set my vote. The defendant's lawyer is part of the jury to vote Beidle guilty because
Apparently, and half
the
the
trash
jury
lyrics
is,
were really atrocious.
The prosecution is also part of the jury.
and the prosecution, yeah.
I see.
Get me out of here. Get me out of here.
And
Yes.
you've all been decided, I see. What on earth is bailiff?
The bailiff just vandalized the courthouse. And he let me get out.
The bailiff apparently appears to gone rogue. 1 diamond to whoever brings me back Mr. Baydle's head, please.
Okay.
Get me out of here.
On it.
Y'all are not
All right.
catching me. Oh, wait, hang on. I don't even know if I'm guilty yet. Hang on. Let's see.
Oh yeah, you might want to find out first.
Yeah, hang on. Let's do a little rewind real fast.
Interesting.
You can't kill me yet. I have diplomatic immunity.
That's not what that means.
I don't care. It's a fun word. I'm still eating my prison
I
rations.
have your
by the
totem
way,
in your
Baron.
boots, Kurgi.
Your Honor, do you still want
Someone
his
has
head?
my
Although I
pickaxe,
feel
by
like
the way.
that might be surrendered for your inexcusable breaking of the courtroom.
Well, I'm gonna die again. Oh my god. Well, okay. Well, my punishment was clearly served just now, so I think I'm free to go.
Whoa.
The defendant was trying to escape. Oh, it does look like you were trying to help the
I haven't
defendant.
gone
I
anywhere. I
appreciate that you were saying that they were. So you were trying to bring them back. I see. Thank you, bailiff, for your good work. Also, I think I have your steak. Here you go. There you go. Mr. Baydle, please have a seat.
I'm sitting.
Mr.
Yes.
Baydle, the jury has come to their conclusions, and at this time, the jury finds you guilty.
There's only 3 jury members. You can't count half of them.
As far as my deliberation goes.
Guilty of what? Guilty of what?
Yes. There is some
Yes.
good precedent.
Guilty of yes.
Yeah.
It seems correct.
There is great precedence here for this idea of requiring you to survey Morgue City's sewer system. However, we all know that sewers carry some fairly unpleasant things. And we wouldn't want to expose you to more unpleasant things and then drive you to do more unpleasant things. This is about rehabilitation, Mr. Baydle, and not continuing in disregard for good human behavior.
Your Honor, I have suggested an additional punishment.
Shut up,
yes,
Wolf.
Yes, I have. I have seen that.
Your Honor, I like to point out that this is clearly a corrupted.
Objection! Shut up.
A corrupted. She's clearly corrupted and out of her mind because she's clearly
working against Baydle. It automatically makes me like
working against
Mr. Baydle. Mr. Baydle, you came to this court, and others came to this court for justice. I am about to deliberate my justice, and you will listen. Do you understand me?
The bailiff has a lightsaber. It's kind of cool.
Do you understand me?
Yes.
Good. Part 1, and everyone will remain in their seats, thank you, and will take no action, or you will be found in deep contempt of court. Beta will be punished by 1 death. 1 large death, of which we will all plan.
Jesus. This is 1 death penalty, thank you. Okay, what's the second?
You will also wear an item to display the results of your behavior, which will be given to you by your council. You must
my
wear
count?
this.
Is that
You
wolf?
must wear this item for 2 weeks or 2 streams.
Okay, okay.
You will wear that item when it is provided to you.
When I'm playing Vault Hunter
It
streams,
will
do
be
I have to wear
provided
it?
next week.
Is it
There
going
you
to
go.
be like
It
a
will
okay,
trash
be
can
provided to you
hat?
next week, and you must wear it for 2 weeks, and that will be noted. And if you do
I
not
got
wear it for 2 weeks, it will continue to be extended the time that you must wear it.
Cone of shame. I hope I'm not like a dog.
Additionally,
That might be funnier.
No.
I was gonna do a dunce cap, but Code
No.
of Shames is funnier.
I will
Yeah,
let your
Kirky,
council deliberate and deal on the item to which you will wear.
How do you feel about that, Kirky?
In
No, look at
addition, you will be jailed at a further period to be determined in a manner that is chosen to reflect on how you will best learn from your lessons. And those creating that jail will be Ocean, Died by Fire, Chronically Crafty, Mythical Moon, Purple Skies, Endless Stormwolf, and Mediza. So
Wait,
when they have come together and come up with the means to your jailing from a time,
Is this like a jail cell or what is this?
it is
Or
a
like
small
a big
jail
old build?
building of which you will have to escape.
Oh, okay, okay.
Oh, I
Mhm,
love
mhm.
building escape rooms.
And I will let them all convey the details to themselves, and they will convey a date to me, and then
I-
you will be
I don't think
notified.
Mediza. I don't think
I have
Mediza
some-
is a
I
part
have
of
some
this.
ideas. I have some ideas.
Wonderful.
You
Okay.
will be notified.
Can we
Anything
kill him
else?
now?
I think that should suffice for now.
Should survive.
I do believe that there has
Hey!
been said that you will have a countersuit, and until then, class dismissed. Court dismissed.
Get back here.
I'm about to get murdered, so I'm at the card
Hey, let's
gateway
go play
now.
on the playground.
Whee!
Uh,
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Honor. Recess. Yeah.
Recess, we're
Oh,
done.
Purple got it. Purple got the joke right. Purple figured it
I
out.
got the joke. I didn't say anything.
No, I didn't
Sorry.
get the joke. I wasn't thinking a court recess at all as a bit, but no, purple
Alright, how do I?
took what I did and did it much better.
I can't.
Yeah. Oh, armadillo scoot.
I can't trigger them if invisible. Someone else have to do that.
What?
Oh, I put the wig in the gavel back.
Hang on, I think it might look better if they go like
Where's that
here
sniffer?
instead of where I put them before.
Oh, it's outside. Oh yeah, I'm taking the sniffer. Anyone got a lead?
You're
Oh,
taking
look
the
at that
sniffer.
little guy. He's so cute.
Sorry, I can. I try to avoid them. I don't want to get lead poisoning.
Anyone have a?
Is it lead poisoning?
Anyone have a lead?
Where
a
did the
spare
gavel
lead?
go?
Anyone have a spare
Where did the
lead?
gavel go?
Someone has my-
I did put it there. I did put it.
Did
It
it
might
get
be.
lost in that
Somebody
fire?
was
Someone
burning
has my.
No,
Someone
I
has
just
my.
I did just put it down on that. It was on the
Yeah, but I
frame.
had just removed it so I can move it.
Yeah,
my
did,
pick.
Thank
What?
you,
did
Maria.
it get burned?
I
What
think
happened?
it might have gotten burned.
Who has my pickaxe?
That's fine. We'll get a mace for the next one because this
I
one was just
think-
a golden shovel.
I think Kirky had
was
my
very
pick
pretty,
and
though.
just left.
Oh wait, I have a golden shovel.
Is it the? Yeah,
Yeah, that's
You
it.
perfect.
needed a lead?
I love how big it is. I got it. Set trigger if this.
Doesn't work.
How do I get out of here?
Does anyone have a shovel? Not a shovel pick that says "Till death or stone do us part"?
I do not.
I think Kirky has it. Then he bailed and left. I'd like to
What
make a robbery
happens?
charge. Ow.
Oh, none of
I do
people
have
took
your
their
prison
complimentary
rations,
finished
Fatal.
works.
Why do I have 16 eggs, a random
My God,
trapdoor, a bed, and a random red glazed terracotta in my inventory?
It's been a weird day in court.
This is
I was
crazy.
mostly listening. I come back and I see this.
I don't think my judge should be the one to give me the death penalty. Not my judge, my lawyer. Ow! Never mind. I guess I gave myself the death penalty.
Yeah. I didn't even hit you. You just punched me and died.
Oh, he
Uh,
got thorns.
I'm weak,
Got
but
thorns.
I
I'm
doubt
weak
there's
Oh,
points for
no.
also having your portal so far away from here. How am I supposed to get
What
the
do you-
poor sniffer home?
so far away. Pardon me for not building my.
Have you tried
The-
making your city smaller, Baydle?
Oh shucks, no. Who has my pickaxe? I need that because I think it's literally the only one I have. Are you gonna play that at my funeral, Wolf? After you killed me. I'd like to point out that Wolf killed me 3 times today, so I'm sensing a little bit of bias. Not
And they were
bias.
supposed to
No,
defend
none
you.
at all.
This seems like
None at
fair
all.
behavior to me.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Considering the sentence that was given, yeah.
Yeah, you got very lucky.
Who
Oh
wants
yeah,
to help
lucky,
me
lucky,
build
lucky.
an effigy?
Also, my like 64 stonecutters are gone too. I just realized.
Not in my inventory.
Ah, curse those stonecutter thieves.
It's Kurgi. I'm pretty
We're
sure.
all
It's-
trying to
I-
find the guy who did this.
It's Kurgi. He left. I'm pretty sure he has it.
You know, this bathroom doesn't look great.
Doesn't look good. Who's
I
gonna
mentioned that
insult my
before.
insult man's
Yeah.
bathroom like that? This bathroom doesn't look great.
Male living
Well,
space.
it deserves insulting when it doesn't even have a toilet.
Well, the floor's right there, man.
You got a
No.
nice. You got like multiple corners.
Hmm.
Yeah, yeah. The right one, the top right one's mine.
Bye-died.
Bye-died.
Thanks for being. Thanks for being
I died.
victim.
A victim. That's Dide's new title, victim. I'd like to point out that bathroom is just like a last minute like add-in because I was like, this corner looks too empty.
wait.
I need to